Hey guys, Harry Thomas here, and I did promise with you all I would share footage of my trip to the beach on Thursday, including Sea Life Aquarium, and my God, it was far better weather that day than it is today. Just look at the weather outside today, nothing but heavy rain. Oh well, at least I. But but that was the first time I had been to any beach in some time. So I this was a long time coming. So without further ado, here is the footage. Whoa! Wow! Why, hello, Dory. She just keeps swimming. So yes, that was my day at the beach and Sea Life Aquarium. I hope you all enjoyed the vlog, and are you heading to the beach anytime soon? Please comment and let me know. Please like this video and subscribe. Please follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. Oh, and yes, I will be going to Greece to Corfu on Tuesday with my sister and a brother-in-law, so I would indeed be vlogging that. So if there is if my uploads are scarce this coming week, my apologies, but I will be doing my best to post every single day throughout most of October once I return. And I know you guys planning to head to the beach anytime soon, just before winter, while we still have a little sunshine left. And remember, movies are us. Bye, guys.